Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to prevent others from changing desktop icons in Windows 10. If you've ever had your carefully arranged desktop icons messed up by someone else, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. This will open the Run command dialog box. Step 2. In the Run command dialog box, type gpedit.msc and press OK. This will open the local group policy editor. Step 3. Navigate to User Configuration, then Administrative Templates, followed by Control Panel, and finally Personalization. Step 4. On the right-hand side, double-click on the Prevent Changing Desktop Icons option. Step 5. In the settings window that appears, select Enabled from the available options. Then, press Apply, followed by OK. Finally, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Now, if you'd like to check if these settings were successfully applied, here's what you can do. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the I key simultaneously to open the system settings. Step 2. Click on the Personalization option, and then select Themes from the left-hand side pane. Step 3. Next, click on the Desktop Icon Settings option on the right-hand side. Step 4. If the option that appears on the next screen is grayed out, or if you receive an error message when you try to click on it, this indicates that the settings are inaccessible. Rest assured, no one will be able to tweak your desktop icons anymore. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to prevent others from changing desktop icons in Windows 10. Now, you can keep your desktop layout just the way you like it, without any unwanted modifications. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.